This tutorial will show you how to turn an old pair of jeans into a unique and creative crossbody bag. You just need the front and back of one side of your jeans. You can cut the other side away. And you'll use the pockets in your jeans as pockets for the bag. So to start with, you want to remove the zipper from the middle of the pants and then cut one pant leg open on the inseam. Then fold the pants in half and line up the center front with the center back and cut about 15 inches off the top of the pant leg. You'll also want to square off the bottom corner so that the fabric matches on both sides. You want to cut the strap for your bag from the remaining pant leg. So cut two rectangles that are approximately 24 inches by 3 inches off of the jeans leg. Now you want to sew the bottom and side of the bag together with right sides together. Try to make sure that you keep the pocket out of the jean seam. Now you want to flatten the inner corners of the bag to make a triangle and sew about 1.5 inches from the tip of the triangle. Next, you want to turn the bag to the right side, and then we'll get the strap ready. Sew the two strap pieces together with right sides together along the short end. Then you want to fold the strap with raw edges in the center and sew it closed. This is the same way that you would fold bias tape or a belt carrier. Now all you have to do is position the strap on either side of the bag and sew it in place. You want to top stitch through all layers. If you want to make your stitches somewhat invisible, you can line them up with the stitches that are already visible on the jeans. And that's it, you've finished. You have a creative new bag that you've upcycled from an old pair of jeans.